The benefit of collaboration on YouTube is that it goes both ways, and having some featured channels on your channel page is a great way to get that collaboration factor going for you. YouTube has changed this process a few times, so today let's go over how to actually add featured channels to your YouTube channel in YouTube Studio. Hey Big Shots, my name is Daniel and I've grown my coaching YouTube channel from scratch to getting over 280,000 views with less than 3,000 subscribers on YouTube, and turning those views into 4+ leads per day for my business. If that sounds like the kind of YouTube success that you're actually interested in, join me for new videos every other Tuesday with more tips and strategies for building a YouTube channel that's fueling your coaching business with leads. So what are featured channels, Big Shots? It's basically a section you can have on your YouTube channel homepage where you can actually recommend other YouTube channels to your visitors with a direct link for anyone to actually click through and see what they're actually about. And why in the world would you actually want to do that? Sending your viewers somewhere else on YouTube might actually sound like a downside itself, but it's really not, because YouTube is all about community and user experience. There's actually two main factors that taking this step can help you with on YouTube. One, your audience, and two, your reach and connection with other creators. It helps with your audience because the better experience you give your viewers, the more likely they are to subscribe and keep watching your specific content. So with featured channels, you're basically recommending content similar or related to yours that you think your audience may also enjoy, which can lead them to subscribe to those channels as well. This is a huge benefit for you because anything you can do to provide value or improve your audience's experience with you by directing them to more content they might also enjoy will boost your authority with that audience and raise their opinion of you. It will also create a connection between your channel and those featured channels in viewers' minds, and maybe even in the algorithm, which could end up helping you in future ways you can't predict today. Who knows, maybe you'll be the one who introduces them to their new favorite channel, or maybe that other channel goes viral and now your channel is gonna get a piece of that high-end traffic too. Wouldn't that feel amazing? Now, if you're strategic about which channels to actually feature, doing this can also improve your reach and collaboration with other creators or channels on YouTube. The benefit of collaboration on YouTube is that it goes both ways. If you choose featured channels carefully and set up a collaborative relationship with those creators to cross-promote each other, you're both going to get more traffic and reach more viewers on YouTube. That way, both of you are going to get more exposure and grow your audience a lot faster. And even if the channels you feature don't return the favor, when you practice generosity and encouragement to other creators, that's what you're going to get more of on your channel. So there's really no downside to that. Do you need to have these featured channels in place to grow on YouTube? No. But is it a good idea to help increase your reach a lot faster and encourage mutual collaboration with other YouTube channels? Yes, definitely yes. So with that in mind, let's look at how to actually add these featured channels. First, sign into your YouTube account and go to your channel. Click Customize Channel under the bottom right of your channel banner, which should take you to your channel layout page here in the YouTube Studio. Next thing we need to do is go down to the featured sections and click Add Section. And featured channels are an option near the bottom of the list. This is where you can then give the section a name that will be on display above. You can title this basically whatever you want, but I'm just gonna call it Featured Channels for now. And right here, you can search the name of whatever channels you want to feature on your channel and check the box right here to add them. Technically, you can add as many channels as you want, but I'd really recommend just sticking to 5 or less, so just keep that in mind. Now, as far as what kind of channels to actually add here or pursue collaboration with, I would really recommend featuring some channels that are related to your content in some way or another, or within the same industry or niche. For example, I've got Melinda Keto featured here on mine, and her channel has nothing to do with YouTube, but it is within the coaching and business industry, which is a large part of my target audience. So if people click over to her channel from mine, they're going to find great marketing, messaging, and copywriting tips to help them stand out online and make more sales, which is something every business is going to need help with at some point in order to actually survive and grow. The great thing about this kind of promotion is that it doesn't take anything away from my channel at all. It just expands on what I help my audience with already. Because if most of my audience are coaches, chances are pretty good that they'll appreciate Melinda's content, and it can solve other problems they have with their coaching business that I don't address at all on my channel. So making that referral to of content I know will actually help my viewers is going to provide even more value to them, which continues to build my authority with that audience. So big shots, comment down below and let me know what sort of channels you're gonna feature on your YouTube channel. And if you wanna set up your YouTube channel to attract the perfect potential clients on autopilot, make sure that you actually check out my whole playlist linked right up here on how to actually do that. In this playlist, I go over how to do every step of the process as part of your YouTube strategy so that you can get the kind of views that turn into paying clients for your coaching business. That's all for now, big shots. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.